Alright, we're up at the jumps in the hills. Gonna do a little bit of a solo session today. It's February now, but there's not much snow on the ground, so a couple of jumps are running, so go get a little session. Alright. First jump of the day. Hit the 32 footer. It's an okay sized jump. So yeah, dropping in. Oh yeah, that was a good first hit. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good day. This jump's really sketchy because landing's kind of fell apart. One day I'll rebuild it, it's just the ground's way too hard right now. Yeah, see you back up at the top. Yeah. Second run, try to throw a big oppo whip. Trying to get better at those, so yeah. Dropping. That's a pretty big one. Held it for a bit, so felt pretty good. Alright, I just checked out the footage. I think I can throw it bigger, so you can go up for another run and try to crank it a bit more sideways. You can go for third run, I think. Try to toss it a bit more. Yeah. Yeah. That was kind of weird. Kind of pulled up too much. It was a bit wonky. Kind of pulled up too much, but you'll see how it looks. Alright, those oppo whips were okay. Gonna try and do some normal whips now. Yeah, and then maybe throw some T-bogs after and go up to the drop and the step up, more up the hill. That felt okay. Felt kind of goofy though. So maybe we're gonna try another one after. See it back at the top. Alright. Gonna try a T-bog. Haven't done any since I broke my leg in September. So try them out. See how they go. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. I think next time I'm gonna flip the camera around so then you can see me kind of grab my seat. Should look pretty cool. So yeah, see you back up at the top. Try to throw a T-bog. Alright, dropping. There's something squeaking, but that was a good one. Got the bars turned a little bit. Pretty good. Okay. See how that was? You know, again, I'm gonna try to throw a whip. An oppo whip. Get it dropping. Alright, just finished up hitting this jump. Gonna go right up there. There's some more jumps up there, and then maybe push up over there, go up and around, and come down in here and do some little free ride hills and stuff. Make some new lines in this perfect dirt. So yeah, see you up there. Alright, made it up to the drop. Yeah, gonna go hit it probably. Haven't hit in probably around 2 months. And yeah, just rebuilt the lip this morning. It's kind of caving in. It's built out of an old pallet, so it's just falling over. Yeah, we'll probably ride here for a little bit. It's kind of a smaller drop, so you can't do much tricks on it, but should be okay. And then we'll go up there. Come on, zoom in. There. Go and maybe hit that line. And then there's a step up somewhere up in there. Can't really see it from here. But yeah, gonna be fun. Alright, I'm gonna hit the drop for the first time. Should be good. Kinda remember the speed, I don't know. Let's try it though. Oh yeah, I felt that. Sick. Oh, the dirt is so good. So sick. Alright, head back up and try to throw a little scrub off of it. I'm gonna hit the drop for the second time. See how it is. Okay, try to throw a bit more of the scrub off of this thing. Oh yeah, that's sick. Wow, this dirt is so good. This dirt's like super loamy, but it's got sand in it. So it keeps the moisture well, but it doesn't get super wet. So it's perfect. Alright, just finished up at the drop down there. Up at the step up now. Haven't hit this one since I broke my leg in September, so see how it goes. But it's really slow right now because it's kind of a stream on the run-in, but I think if I go full speed, I should be able to clear it. So, yeah, we'll see. Alright, just did a test run. Felt pretty good. So, guess I'm gonna try it. Okay, dropping. One. Ooh, that's pretty good. I don't know if I can. Oh, I buttered it. Could go a bit faster, but I landed right there. It's pretty good. I felt like I sunk in the lip a bit, but yeah, that's sick. Go and hit it again. Yeah. Hit it for the second time now. Dropping. Yeah, did pretty good there. I'm pulling up too much though, so just gotta kind of flow it. Yeah, in it for the third time, I think. Yeah. See if I can throw a bigger whip. It's pretty sick. Worked good. Ooh, it's slippery up here. Okay, I'm gonna get some clips off the bike, set the GoPro up somewhere, and yeah, should be good. Alright. Made it up to the top of this hill. The step up's just right down there. Wrapped up and around. This thing is steep. Try it out. And then there's a little hip down there. You just kind of flow down. Should be pretty sick. Alright, let's go. Oh. Oh, it's tight right there. Oh yeah. Oh, I got dirt in my face. Pretty sloppy down here. head over to this area. Hit the thing. Pretty sick. That's it for the video today, so see you tomorrow.